Good morning, students, and very much thank you for joining on Sunday. On student demand, today we will take Science Chapter 3, that is chemical reaction. There are main points which I will discuss in this video. You have to concentrate more and more on that part only. What is chemical reaction? The reaction in which chemical properties change of the substance, that is chemical reaction. Changes take place are of two types: chemical changes, physical changes. Chemical change, physical change. Stepwise, when you will compare, you will come to know what is exactly chemical reaction is. Proportion. Means suppose H2O, 2 hydrogen and 1 oxygen. So in chemical reaction, you need fixed proportion. In this, no need of fixed proportion. Like a lime water, sugar water, salt water. Here proportion is fixed, here proportion is not fixed. Next, reaction take place? Yes, no reaction take place. When two substances combine, here some type of the reaction take place, here no reaction take place. New substance form? Yes, no new substance form. If you will melt salt into water, after boiling you will get the salt back. But when you will join hydrogen and oxygen, combine, chemical reaction take place, proportion is fixed, new substance form H2O. That is totally different from the original constituent. Original can get back. No. From water, hydrogen and oxygen, it is not a very simple process, very stiff chemical process. So here original substance easily can get back, here cannot easily get back. Change in temperature. Change in temperature, yes, no. Sometimes when chemical reaction take place, temperature increase, sometimes it goes down. But in physical changes, no change in the when hydrogen and oxygen mix, from that decomposition is easy, not easy. Here it is very easy. Means from the compound to get back its constituent element, from water, hydrogen and oxygen to get back, it is not so much easy. So these are the points on which you can write the distinguish also. Here the substance proportion is fixed, here not fixed. Chemical reaction take place, chemical reaction not take place. Chemical reaction take place. That's why new substance form. Here, no new substance form. Original substance that we have discussed 2 times. Sorry. Original substance get back? No. Very easily? Yes. Change in the temperature take place? Yes. Change in the take place in the temperature? No. Here increasing or decreasing? Okay. Next, chemical re-equation. After this, what is the meaning of chemical equation? The chemical reaction which we write with the help of symbols and molecular formula. Chemical equation is a chemical reaction which we write by symbol and molecular formula. This is a representation of chemical reaction by symbol and chemical formula. Now, how to write chemical equation? There are 7 points. How to write? First, before chemical reaction, which are the substance that is known as reactant. After chemical reaction, at the end of process, what is produced? That is a product. So reactant always we have to write on left side of the equation. This is right side of the equation. First point, the substance which involve in the chemical reaction, left side. The substance which evolve, the new compounds evolve at the end, means product, that is on right side. If reactant or product are more than 2, then in between plus sign. For example, hydrogen H2 plus O2. H2 plus O2 gives H2O. 2. Left side reactant, right side product. If it is more than 2 or more than 2 or more than 2. So plus sign. Third point, always arrow will be left to right, always. Then this sign and this sign. When the reactant or a product is a gas, in a gas form, upside. When it is form of solid, precipitation at the end of product, downside. Means these are the substance which is not dissolved in water or in that liquid, it settle down, that is down. Fifth point, 2 types of triangle we are using. 2 types of triangle we are using, this and this. Pyramid. When point is up, means heat is required in the equation. Means we are providing the heat. This heat release, the substance get cooled down. So 2 types of the triangle. During this we need to heat. During this we need to cool. Then 6, solid, liquid, gas, all small, sorry. For a solid substance, we will write S in bracket. For example, calcium carbonate, CaCO3, that is solid. Suppose we are using HCl, liquid. Oxygen evolves to solid. Array, gas. Last one. Balance both the side, number of atoms. Hydrogen 2 into 2, 4 atom of hydrogen, 2 to the 4 atom of hydrogen. How much it will involve, that much will be come out. Oxygen 2 atom. So again, they will ask long question, how to write their chemical equation, which main points. So these 7 are exactly in the sequence. First, reactant left, product right. 2 or more than 2 reactant or product, in between you have to make plus sign. Always from reactant to the product, means always from left to right the arrow. Up and down arrow when gas is there, up, and for solid precipitation, that is down. 2 type of the triangle, giving heat, absorbing heat. 3 type of the symbol of the state of the substance, compound, solid, liquid, gas, solid S, liquid L, gas G. Balance equation. So left side of the arrow and right side of the arrow, the number of same atom should be equal. Hydrogen equal, carbon equal. For that, there is one formula that I will introduce. Now, next point is balancing chemical equation. Definition: balancing chemical equation. The number of atoms present on the left side is exactly equal to the number of atoms present on the right side. That is known as balancing chemical equation. Next, then very important topic, types of chemical equation. There are four types of chemical equation. In 8th standard, 9th standard, whatever the equation you are finding, that can be classified into 4 types. So first, that is combination. Combination reaction. Combination reaction, when 2 or more substances combine to form new substance. Definition of that is 2 or more combine to form new one substance. that is known as combination reaction. For example, same water plus oxygen H2O. So always A plus B gives AB. Many more you can write. Ammonia plus HCl gives NH4Cl. One more you can write. Carbon plus oxygen, carbon dioxide. Magnesium plus oxygen, balance. Standard equation is A plus B standard equation in a symbol A plus B gives AB, means two or more substances combine to form new compound, that is known as combination reaction. B, decomposition. Reversible. When a compound split up into its constituent substance, that is known as decomposition reaction. Same you can write. From carbon dioxide you will get carbon plus oxygen. From magnesium oxide you will get two, correct, 2 mg. Oh, it was correct. Reversible, we have to write 2 mg plus O2. Decomposition reaction means from a substance, its constituent element or a substance classified or separate, that is decomposition. C, displacement. Reaction A plus BC plus minus AC, separate A plus and separate B plus are the metals. When more reactive metal replace less reactive metal, that is not as displacement reaction. For example, iron plus CuSO4. This is metal, this is more reactive. So now it is FeSO4 plus Cu. One more, lead, copper sulfate. More reactive metal from the compound, it replaces less reactive metal. So which metal is free? It is now in combined form, and which was in a combined form, it was now free. So this is the standard equation. Now this is a displacement, double displacement. Fourth, double displacement, very interesting. See, AB plus CD. When two compounds react with each other and form new two compounds by interchanging the radicals or the ions. So these are the positive ion, negative ion, positive ion, negative. Compound formed by positive and negative ion. Now this positive goes with this. Always we will write positive first. This will go with this. Positive we will write first. Two compounds react with each other to form two new compounds. From two compounds to two new compounds by interchanging of ion, positive, negative, negative, positive. This positive with this negative, this positive with this negative. So two compounds react with each other. They change the ion and form two new compounds. That is double decomposition. For example, acid and base, you can write acid, hydrochloric acid, plus base. When acid and base react with each other, they form salt and water. Positive, negative, positive, negative. This positive goes with this. H plus H2, H plus OH, so H2. Na goes with Cl, so NaCl. Now, in SSC board, they will ask about any one type. What you will write, in which sequence you will write. That is the main thing. Suppose for any type you have to write short note, 2 marks, 3 marks, whatever. With this 5 heading only you have to write the answer. Name, for example, it is combination reaction. What is the definition? When two or more substances combine to form one compound, that is combination reaction. Decomposition. From a compound, the separation of its constituent element, that is decomposition. Displacement. When a more active metal replaces less active metal, that is a displacement. Fourth, double decomposition or double displacement, both are the same. When two compounds react with each other to form two new compounds by interchanging the ions. So name, definition, name, definition, name, definition. Now standard equation for first, what you will write? A plus B gives AB, plus minus, plus minus. For combination, then decomposition, that is AB gives A plus B. It is not given in the textbook, but you have to remember by this method only. Then displacement. Displacement, A is a metal, B is metal. Now B will be free and A with C. Double displacement. AB plus CD, plus minus, plus minus, plus with this minus, plus with this minus. Write the name, write the definitions, write the standard equation, Then write one example. For example, H2 plus O2 gives H2O. 2. Now, carbon dioxide gives carbon plus oxygen. This Fe plus CuSO4 gives FeSO4 plus Cu. And this I have given hydrochloric acid plus this. Explanation means what? What we have written in equation, no, by using symbol and molecular formula, that same you have to write without using symbol and molecular formula. You have to write the word. For example, when hydrogen gas with high pressure combines with oxygen gas to produce the molecule of water, carbon dioxide on decomposition under some special electronic method or this decomposition method, it releases carbon and oxygen. So iron nail that we store in copper sulfate solution, blue copper sulfate solution. So you will find copper will be caught on nail, rusted nail. So when iron placed in copper sulfate, copper will be covered, copper covered the upper layer. So FeSO4 plus Cu. Then when hydrochloric acid react with sodium hydroxide, neutralization takes place. Acid and base combine to get neutral. Now new combination, these two are not acid, not base. This is purely acid, this is purely base, but the new product is not acid and base. So this is water and salt. So when acid and base react with each other, where acid plus base react with each other, it forms salt and water. Neutralization is exactly the same as double displacement or double decomposition. This reaction can be you can write this example in neutralization also, in double displacement also, in double decomposition also. Decomposition means what? Compound breakdown. Here compound breakdown 2 times and interchange. That is double displacement or double decomposition. Same, or neutralization, same example you can write in 3. So 5 points always you have to write on the top of the page, exact middle, write the heading. All under headings you have to write. Then definition, what is the definition? Then standard equation, AB form, plus minus plus minus plus minus. Related to that, see, A plus B. So related to that, see, you can compare this and this, this and this, this and this. So whatever the equation which is printed, which are printed in your textbook, no, you can classify into this 4 group only. All the equations are in that form only. Name, definition, standard equation, example equation, then explain. Explain means what you have written, no, that same you have to write in word. That is the explanation. With this clear heading, when you will write the, because 100% they will ask any one, and we can't give you as a IMP that this year they have asked this year they will ask this. No, because in every zone they prepare 3 paper ABC. At the end time, whatever you will get. So in one paper they will ask displacement, in one paper they will ask decompression, in one paper they will ask combination. So which will comes in your hand, that it is not confirmed. So any paper you will get. So you have to be prepared for all four. But one they will ask 100%. So under this 5 heading, you explain that full. These 4 method type of the chemical equation in 5 heading. This is your 50% chapter. Remember that. Previously, before this, I have explained that 7 point how to write the chemical equation. Now from ready chemical equation, what the information you can get? Any equation, for example, this. From given equation, from balance equation, what the information you can take? First, which are the reactant? Which are the product? Heat release or evolves? The state of the substance, it is solid, liquid or gas. By balancing the number of atoms which involves and the number of the atoms at the end will be emerged as a product. So this type of the information you will get from the chemical equation. Now there are lots of definition. Next pair of definition, all maximum are in the pair. Exothermic, endothermic. Exothermic, the reaction in which heat release. Exothermic reaction, the chemical reaction in which heat release, exothermic. Endothermic, the chemical reaction in which heat absorbed, that is endothermic. Take 2 test tubes, take water from the same source, so the temperature of both the test tube are same, normal water. So in both the test tube you have filled same water, same temperature. In one test tube give potassium nitrate, KNO3. In one test tube, KNO3. And in one, sodium hydroxide. In this test tube, water is there. Dissolve this, half a spoon. When you will dissolve fully, this become cool, this become hot. Means you will feel temperature change, this become from normal to cool, from normal to increase in the temperature. So when this substance dissolve, it absorb heat. When this substance dissolve, it evolves heat. So when temperature decrease or the heat involved, that is endothermic. When the heat is released, it is exothermic. Some more example, in calcium carbonate, when you will heat, it breaks down into calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. You are supplying heat, so it is endothermic. And in calcium oxide, like white cement, CaO plus water, when you will add the water, you will find that heat is releasing. That is exothermic reaction. So endothermic, exothermic. When heat release, exo. When heat involves means heat absorbed, endothermic. Now, lots of chemical reaction, lots of chemical equations are there. The rate of chemical reaction, it depends on what? It is very, very, very important. Rate of chemical reaction. First, nature. Nature of the substance. Suppose with hydrochloric acid, you will use aluminum. Then same hydrochloric acid, you have to use zinc. When metal reacts with hydrochloric acid, naturally it produces hydrogen. But with zinc or aluminum, which it produces more hydrogen? With aluminum. So when we need hydrogen more, so we will not use zinc, we will use aluminum. So naturally, it is depend on the nature of the substance. So instead of zinc, we will use aluminum to produce more hydrogen. Next,